Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Dodge Dart SXT. Stock number B8478PB. 36,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check, history report, Billet Silver Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, along with a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The Dart is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, along with backup camera, spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. The Dart is in the compact car class, but it has the interior space of a mid-sized car. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, 36,000 miles, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heating and air conditioning, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with CD player, USB, and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Fuel efficient as well. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 8478PB to 66.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.